In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on GoDaddy in 2025 step by step. Let's get started on bringing your digital presence to life. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, you can sign up for a new one in just a few simple steps. After signing in, you'll be directed to your account's product page where you need to find the option to set up a free website. Click on the plus Set Up a Free Website button. This will take you into the creative world of GoDaddy's website builder where you can choose from a variety of templates. These templates are designed to suit different needs, whether you're looking to launch a business site, showcase a portfolio, or establish a personal brand. Once you've found a template that resonates with your vision, click on your chosen kind of website. If you prefer starting from scratch, you can do that too. It allows for maximum customization. After selecting your design or starting layout, hit continue to move forward. Now it's time to enter your website name. Think about your branding. This will be the name visitors see. Type it in and press continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your website details such as a brief description or any specific info that might be relevant to your audience. However, if you're pressed for time or would rather add this later, feel free to skip this step. Next comes the fun part, customizing the sections of your website. GoDaddy's drag and drop editor makes this process intuitive and straightforward. You can easily edit text, add images, or rearrange sections to create a look that reflects your style. Additional sections like an About Us page, a services overview, or a contact form can be added at this stage too. Pay attention to adjusting your colors, fonts, and layout to align with your branding. Adding a personal touch is crucial, so don't forget to upload your business logo in the header. Swap out any generic stock images with your own stunning visuals, and ensure the text reflects your business details, services, or product offerings accurately. Getting your website structure right is essential. To set up your domain, you can either connect an existing GoDaddy domain or purchase a new one. A seamless procedure within the platform. Consider organizing your website by adding various pages like Home, About, Blog, or Shop to the Pages menu, and edit your navigation menus to ensure an intuitive user experience. Finally, before setting your creation live, make sure to preview your website. This is your chance to check for any needed adjustments or tweaks. Once you're satisfied, it's time to hit that publish button, bringing your website online for the world to enjoy. And that's it. Your website on GoDaddy is now live, reflecting your unique identity on the internet. Thank you for joining me today, and happy website building.